Have you ever wondered how humanity went from believing the Earth was the center of the universe to landing robots on Mars? It all started with something called the scientific revolution. Between the 1500s and 1700s, a group of thinkers decided to question everything. Instead of accepting what ancient authorities or the church said, they began to test, observe, and prove ideas through experiments. This marked the birth of modern science. It started with people like Copernicus, who proposed that the Earth revolves around the sun. Then came Galileo, who used a telescope to prove it. Newton explained gravity and the laws of motion. And Francis Bacon introduced the scientific method, a new way of discovering truth through observation and reason. Their bold ideas broke centuries of traditional thinking. Because of this revolution, people learned to question, test, and experiment. This led to incredible inventions: the microscope, the printing press, the thermometer, tools that helped us see the world in new ways. Medicine, astronomy, physics, and mathematics all advanced rapidly. The mindset shifted from believe what you're told to find out for yourself. The scientific revolution didn't just change science, it changed how we think. It laid the foundation for today's technology, medicine, engineering, and even artificial intelligence. Every time we use a smartphone or launch a satellite, we're standing on the shoulders of those early scientists. The scientific revolution didn't just give us knowledge, it gave us the courage to question, explore, and build the modern world.